There's no denying it's more expensive to buy a home this year. Mortgage rates have climbed. But if you still want to make your home buying dreams come true, I've got 3 tips to help all my buyers out there today. Number 1, expand your search radius and criteria. If you're having a hard time finding a home in your budget, it can help to look in more affordable areas. It's also worthwhile to reprioritize your list of must-haves and nice-to-haves. 2, explore financing options. Work with a trusted lender to go over various loan types to find out what's best for your situation. And 3, look for grants and gift funds that are options. There's also many federal, state, and local down payment assistance programs that you can explore. Let's connect so you have expert advice on any and all of your housing needs, as well as the resources to help you achieve your dreams. Till then, this is Phil Landy with the Atlas Group at Real Brokers saying, I'm always here for you. Have a great one. Take care. Bye for now.